Hi friends, இன்னைக்கு True Educationல government schemes on education and skill development பத்தி பார்க்கலாம். Scheme name Vidya Lakshmi. Scheme brief. Vidya Lakshmi is a first of its kind portal for students seeking education loan. It provides single window for students to access information and make application for educational loans provided by banks and government scholarships. Benefits: students can view, apply and track the education loan application to banks anytime, anywhere by accessing the portal. The portal also provides linkages to National Scholarship Portal. Scheme name Vidya Sarathi. Scheme brief. It is a technology-enabled initiative by NSDL E-Governance Infrastructure Limited to bridge the gap in education finance in the country through an online platform. Benefits: students can search and apply for various education finance schemes they are qualified. Scheme name National Scholarship Portal. Scheme brief. Provide a common portal for various scholarship schemes of central and state governments. Benefits: simplified for process for the students. 1. All scholarship information available under one umbrella. 2. Single integrated application for all scholarship. Scheme name Vidya Kaushal. Scheme brief. Vidya Kaushal is one-stop platform for students in need of loan for skill development. Benefits: it gives multiple skill financing options to students via common portal. Just by filling up one single form, a student would be able to apply for a skill loan offered by multiple non-banking financial institutes. Scheme name Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana. Scheme brief. DDU-GKY is a part of the National Rural Livelihood Mission, tasked with the dual objectives of adding diversity to the incomes of rural poor families and cater to the career aspiration of rural youth. Benefits: DDU-GKY is uniquely focused on rural youth between the ages of 15 and 35 years from poor families. Scheme name Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Scheme brief. The objective of this skill certification scheme is to enable a large number of Indian youth to take up industry-relevant skill training that will help them in securing a better livelihood. Benefits: individual with prior learning experience or skill will also be assessed and certified under recognition of prior learning. Scheme name Financial Assistance for Skill Training of Persons with Disabilities. Scheme brief. This scheme targets skill development of people with disability as per industry needs, which can help them to be gainfully employed and contribute to India's growing economy. Benefits: it provides certificates to trainees after the completion of training that is based on the expository NOS aligned curriculum. Scheme name the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme. Scheme brief. It is a one-year program equipping technically qualified youth with practical knowledge and skills required in their field of work. Benefits: at the end of 1 year training, they are issued a certificate attesting to their training and proficiency in a particular field. Scheme name National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme. Scheme brief. National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme is a new scheme of Government of India to promote apprenticeship. Benefits: apprenticeship training consists of basic training and on-the-job training, practical training at workplace in the industry. Scheme name Skill Development for Minorities. Scheme brief. SECO or CAMA Learn and Earn is a scheme implemented since 2013-2014 for skill development of minorities. Benefits: the scheme aims at upgrading the skills of minority youth in various modern traditional skills depending upon their qualification, present economic trends and market potential, which can earn them suitable employment or make them suitably skilled to go for self-employment. Scheme name, Green Skill Development Program. Scheme brief, most vocational training programs focus on mechanical, technical skills rather than soft or green skills. Green skills contribute to preserving or restoring environmental quality for sustainable future and include jobs that protect ecosystems and biodiversity, reduce energy and minimize waste and pollution. In line with the Skill India mission of Honorable Prime Minister, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, utilizing the vast network and expertise of ENVS Hubs, RPS has taken up an initiative for skill development in the environment and forest sector to enable India's youth to get gainful employment and or self-employment, called the Green Skill Development Program. Benefits: green skills contribute to preserving and or restoring environmental quality for sustainable future and include jobs that protect ecosystem and biodiversity, reduce energy and minimize waste and pollution. Scheme name, Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. Scheme brief, it is an initiative of Ministry of Rural Development to have dedicated infrastructure in each district of the country to impart training and skill upgradation of rural youth geared towards entrepreneurship development. Benefits: rural BPL youth will be identified and trained for self-employment. இந்த ஸ்கீமை பற்றிய மேலும் தகவல்களுக்கு கீழே கொடுக்கப்பட்டுள்ள டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸை பார்க்கவும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.